both of them.
Oh, wow. Look at how beautiful bird. Hi. Hello, hello, little pretty bird. Is that him or her?
That's.
That's great. Hi, cutie.
The other guy's telling you.
Hey, cutie. What do you know how to say?
He just lifted up his hair.
What do you know how to say?
Cool. I like the hair lift up.
Yeah. You're a good whistler. Yeah, you're a
Sounds
good
like
whistler.
a very delicate sound of when a coach blows a whistle. Like
It does. That's how you get somebody's attention. Go. And here's her partner over here just hanging out. Okay, we're gonna leave now. Y'all won't be too lonely if we leave, will you? Y'all have a good night. Okay? Good night.